Alright, ready to rock and route here. I've got to be very careful. So I'm going to start well back, or well right of the line, and end up well left of the line. Hog most of this out in the middle, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, I'm well back of the line. Still got a ways to go to get to the back here. I don't care if I cut into this now, but I want to, this one's close enough. I'm gonna have to do the rest with some chisel work. I'm going to call that good. I got a ways to go, but I do not want to lose this project now. So the rest can come out with chisels. I'm confident about that. Alright, I got my first one chopped out here. When I go to put my pole in, I'm a little short. This one actually slides in a lot better than a couple of the others. So my solution is I've got to get this in a little deeper. I'm going to show you one here that's like that one there. That's way short. So my solution is that I've got to get these cut back just a hair further. So I'm going to take my jig. I'm going to put a little strip on here to pull it back. About like that. To keep them consistent, I'll put like I say, I'll put a strip on there. I can chop that off, and then I can come over here and get this side. So I've got to just keep going at it here. But I need those poles to at least go flush, but ideally a little bit past, and then I can flush them up on the inside. Alright, good news. Just by moving that back by the thickness of a credit card, that gives me all the room I need. And the beauty of it doing it this way is I only take a little bit off of the one side. I'm able to use this as my template to chop down, so that works out good. That little bit that I'm shifting it that direction is not a big deal. That credit card keeps it back enough. Now I'll just use this edge as a guide, and it's really paper thin when I'm taking off of there. I shouldn't say paper thin, it's probably 10 thousandths maybe. And there you go. So it goes past, and I can clean that up. Flush it up this way and that way. Alright, I'm getting ready to glue my first pull in to the opening here. What I want to pay attention to, if I can at all, is that the grain on this is running this way, and I want to make sure, if I can, that this grain is running that same direction. And the reason for that being is that when I come to plane this, I don't want to have this going that way and this one going that way. I'll end up with tear out, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna plan on doing it like that. All right, I've got one drawer done, but this is how I have to go about it. I'm kind of planing into the drawer, and I'm resting the outside of my plane on the drawer front. So I'm kind of planing back this way, but it'll start to level out as I get closer. That's good. Now the grain is running up this way, so I'm going to go at it with my low angle plane here. And this is set pretty aggressive. And say I'm taking some pretty good shavings with that. But I've got a lot of room to work with, so I'm just going to get it down as quick as I can. Alright, that's close enough. Then I'll switch to my block plane here. Alright, now I'll just hit this with some 150 here. Well, originally I thought that these might be a little bit too much, you know, too proud of the surface, but I think that it's all right. I can always sand them down, but I like it. They're nice and lined up.